Most populated countries in the world. World population has increased rapidly since the beginning of the 21st century. In the year 2000, the world population was nearly 6 billion. By the year 2017, this number has been set to a staggering 7 billion. The current population in 2018 is approximately 7.6 billion people in the world. Talking about this population explosion in the recent years, there are a group of countries, especially developing nations, that contribute the most to this population growth. China and India are at the apex of the chart when it comes to defining the population. The USA comes just after these countries, followed by Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia, and Mexico. These 10 countries contribute nearly 58% of the current total world pollution. Let's discuss the individual prospects of top nations in the population list. China, as we know, is the fourth largest country in the world. It is known to be highly populated since the onset of the 21st century. The growth of population since then has witnessed the rise of 11.6%. From nearly 1.2 billion to around 1.4 billion. This rate is still a positive trend for China, as it is the lowest population growth rate as compared to other countries in the list. This is the result of strict government policies regarding family planning and management. The one-child per family policy was crucial in maintaining the population in control. Though it had many disadvantages of its own, some of which were unbalanced sex ratio and the growth of aging population in the country. So, in the year 2015, this law was amended, and 2 children were allowed per family. Unlike China, India has not been that effective in maintaining the population in control. India's population has risen by 34.6%, which is massive. It is estimated that by the year 2050, India will take over China and become the most populated country in the world. At the current rate, we can only imagine the havoc it will cause to the country's resources. The main reason for the population explosion in India is illiteracy and lack of recreation. Illiteracy and unawareness towards family planning make people support large families, which is not only a raid on their pockets and making the sustainability of the whole family difficult, but also degrades the quality of life. Effective awareness campaigns and family planning can provide India with some respite from the current population scenario. The USA is world's third largest country and also ranks third in population. Population growth rate for 2000 to 2018 is 15.8% for the USA, which is considerable. Other countries like Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, and Nigeria are also densely populated, and their growth rate for 2000 to 2018 is 24.6%, 21%, 31.7%, 58% respectively. Conclusion. These growth rates are enormous and a sign of uncontrolled population rise. If not taken seriously, it can lead to many social and economic crises in these densely populated countries. Therefore, strategic and influencing steps need to be taken to control population in these countries, because these countries are the ones creating heavy toll on the entire world.